नामनेचे शिक्षण तज्ञ आणि समाजसेवक सोनम वांगचुक यांच्या आदारान एका चित्रकारान तांची चित्रमालिका काडपाचो निर्णय घेतला। वांगचुक हे प्रामाणिक, धाडशी आणि समाजाच्या कल्याणा खातीर सतत झगडपी फुडारी। नीट प्रश्नपत्रिका लीक जाल्ल्यान शिक्षण मंत्र्यांचो राजीनामा दिवपाची मागणी करीत विद्यार्थ्यांच्या चळवळीक तेंको दिवपा खातीर फाटल्या 19 दिसांसावन सोनम वांगचुकाचें उपोषण सुरू आसा। देखून देशाक तुमची गरज आसा। वांगचुक हांणी हे उपोषण फाटीं घेवचें अशें आवाहन एका कलाकारान।
Sonam Wangchuk is my hero. He is a man of great courage, sincerity, honesty, and a great desire to improve the lot of his country, especially in the field of education. I have created a painting of his to express my solidarity with him. He was jailed for 170 days illegally, but that did not break him. He is on fast. Today is the 19th day. He is on fast to demand the resignation of the most incompetent education minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, who is responsible for the leakage of NEET papers and the death of 12 students. The method of fasting for a cause was given to us by Mahatma Gandhi. But the ideology which is ruling today is the very ideology which shot him. So his method is unlikely to make any kind of impact on this insensitive government. I request Sonam Wangchuk to give up his past because the country needs him for the future. We cannot afford to lose a person like him on the altar of insensitive government.